Okay, so today you guys are responsible for getting this lovely cooktop back in order. It is dirty, it is gross, it is yucky. So our whole goal is to get it clean. So this lovely stuff here is what you're going to work with to get the stovetop clean. It has some lovely directions on the back side. You definitely want to read those because that's what makes it work right. So, you're going to apply this to the cooktop. It says to apply to a cool surface, shake the bottle well, and then use either a scrubbing pad put out by this company, or you can just use a paper towel. So we're going to rub all this in. And then what you want to do is, if there are some areas that are really tough, you are going to take a razor blade and you're going to scrape through the surface to get some of those really tough areas up. So then once that's all cleaned, scrubbed, then you'll take a towel and you will wipe it all down. And then you'll take hot soapy water and clean it off. Okay, this panel up here, it's really gross. You're going to have to get hot soapy water first, but then you're going to get some 409 spray cleaner and a green scrubby, and you're going to take and clean all that off because it is just greasy gross. So those are the two things that you're going to do to get the stovetop clean. The other thing with the stove that you're going to do is you're going to get some wet paper towel and you're going to clean all the ash out of the oven. So those are the things that you'll do to get the stove clean.